repositories are here. So it doesn't add into this the repository, just add into that the URL of the repositories. So if I want to get to the repositories, I just have to click use this URL here, and then you can see all the repositories, and the repositories also include links to whatever. So the client doesn't know all this. You just need to follow the. Of course, you need to understand the interface, but then you can see there's a light code 2 for this one. You can it have information about this is the user. So that's back to the user as we saw before. So that's linking back and forth, and back to the repo here. So you can see the what are the followers of that one. So here we have all the followers of that one. So instead of me knowing how to get to the specific data, then the output already provide the links to whatever. So I just need to know that I can get to something by looking at the output, and then I don't need to care about how to build the URL. Can you follow that idea? That's the main idea. And actually, they also use. So if we go to repo here, I don't know if it's. But if we go here, no, not that. Here, and open Postman. Oh, I could actually see it here also. I think. Sorry. Network, and then reload. And if we look at the here, so I'm using the developer tool. So if we see the response here, sometimes no, not on this one. So if I do a search. You can see they use the E tag, and sometimes if you get more than I think you have to do a search. If you do a search, I can't remember the interface right now. But if you do a search and you get more than a number of elements, they inside the header of the response, they have information about a link to the next one and to the previous one and so on. I can't remember how to do that. Is it? I don't think. Yeah. So they put into the header the link. So here are the link to the next one. So that's the object here. So that's the next one. Here the link to the not to the previous one, but to the first one. So you can have link to the first and to the last and to the next and to the previous and whatever you want to support for your service, for the service that. So you can decide that you want to have not only the last, not the previous one, but the first one also. So you always have a link back to the start of the. So that's just a small piece of text that the server can provide to the client. So this was just an example of that.